Kumba Hlophe has got Sjava off guard, guys. Like, he was all over the place performing with the famous musician Sjava. Like, the comedian was all over the place, guys. He was all over the place singing the famous song of Sjava that everybody loves, and the audience was on fire, guys. The crowd was going so crazy. Ajabulile Sikhumbuzo performing no Sjava bafethu, and the audience was going crazy, guys. If you don't believe me, I know, guys, nina abanye bena bangikholwa, and I'm telling you something, guys. Here's the video. Cela uyibukelele wena. I hope nizibonele, guys, the wonderful performance of Kumba Hlophe with Sjava, guys. So the audience was all over the place. And guys, if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video.